Have you ever thought about what makes a story transmedia rather than simply multimedia? Media scholar Henry Jenkins described transmedia storytelling as a process in which parts of a narrative are distributed across different media to create a coordinated story world, and each platform contributes something new.
In a transmedia project, the story or experience is spread across a variety of media platforms, not in a way that's redundant, but rather in a way that's complementary, so that each platform contributes what it does best.
So Stranger Things is a really useful example for explaining this. The TV show introduced Hawkins, the Upside Down, and the Central Conflict, while the comics and the theater show expand the history of the particular character or the story world. The games then allow us to explore and interact with the story world directly themselves. So this is different from adaptation, where the same Stranger Things narrative could simply just retold in another format without adding new information or experiences. Transmedia storytelling is also an act of world building. Its narrative often contains gaps or unanswered questions, and these invite interpretation, speculation, or even fan-created materials such as fandom.
Participatory culture describes a world where everyone participates, that where we take media in our own hands, where we have the capacity often to produce media, share media.
So the audience is now more than just audience. People search across platforms, compare cues, share knowledge and opinions, and Jenkins call them like hunters or gatherers, while 𝗵𝗲𝗄𝗏, which is a French philosopher and media scholar, his idea of collective intelligence explains how communities combine the fragments of knowledge. In our research project, Building Identity Through Stories, we bring this participatory approach into university transition experience. Through writing, drawing, sound making, and digital media, students with diverse learning journeys can explore identity, belongings, and change in the ways that feel meaningful to them. Because starting university is not simply about entering into a new place, it is about making sense of who you are becoming and having the space to tell that story in your own way.